Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Excel with the file open and your Microsoft account signed in. This is necessary because Autosave links to your cloud identity. First, look at the top left or top center for the Autosave toggle labeled Autosave. It's near the Quick Access toolbar. Once located, click the toggle once to turn it off. You'll see the label switch to off, which stops automatic saves to OneDrive or SharePoint. Make sure to verify the file path shown after turning it off. Once the toggle is off or missing, go to File, then Options, then Save to control behavior more precisely. You'll see an option that can disable Autosave for OneDrive and SharePoint files by default. Uncheck that to prevent new files from auto-enabling Autosave. Also adjust the auto-recover interval so you still get point-in-time recovery. Set it to a minute value you're comfortable with. These steps give you predictable, manual control over when Excel writes changes to cloud and local copies. To finish, close the workbook and reopen it to confirm Autosave stays off. This validates your user-level change. If the file is in a shared location, make sure SharePoint or OneDrive isn't enforcing Autosave via an administrator policy. Those override user settings. If Autosave re-enables unexpectedly, sign out of your Microsoft account and sign back in, or contact your IT admin to check group policies. That usually resolves sync-driven re-enabling and restores manual save control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.